What is up? Welcome to the most unusual watch list number 3, I think, is what we're on. Day one, we had MGM, got a 94% gain. For today's cost, ran, I took profits like a smart idiot at 37%. That went 200%. Let's look at what we got going today. So the first one I want to draw people's attention to Comcast CMCSA, that cable company you do not use anymore. If we look here, kind of boring, but let's hit quick view. Bam. What do we got here? Let's look at the 1231.50C. All right, up here at the top. We've got 10,963 volume to open interest of 409. Someone likes this play. Someone likes this play for 1231. Let's dig into the historical flow really quick. We see on that 1231 that this volume to OI is real. This all happened today. A big bet came through. There's nothing on the same strike that would indicate that this is a straddle, strangle, anything like that. So here, we know something must be up for 1231. Again, as tempting as it is to think that this is something for this Friday, we're not going to play it like that. We're going to mirror the whale on this one. 1231, 50C, looks gravy. Next, we've got the chart. So I want to pull up Comcast here. So the chart's kind of like iffy. If you're really going to play it safe, probably enter somewhere around 49.34 to skip some of this price action. If you're feeling dicey, you could take it before, but honestly, I'd recommend not. We got some puts that you could get here down to 47.11. See what I'm doing? I'm waiting for places of clear price action. So 49.32, you got 49.35, but this is the real trigger. Okay, what we're drawing. We're going to activate this. I want to move this up here. Look at this gap right here. So if you hit 49.88, you know that it's go time. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's a 50 call on the 1231. So you might want to wait. So what I would do is this. I would wait for some good movement, maybe here in this gap. Might be a good idea. And I would just buy the 1231, sit on it, make sure nothing too crazy happens. You're not going to lose a lot of theta with the 50. So that's how I plan. All right, next up. Baba's interesting to me because Baba, actually, if we go to spotrambo.com, our website that the Yeet made, the yeet.substack.com, you see that Baba has Investor Day on Thursday, tomorrow, 12 a.m. PST. So seeing that, I'm thinking, okay, maybe people are liking Baba. Let's see what's going on. So Baba, look at that volume to OI on the 124, 14.8. So that's like 7 times the volume to open interest. Now, here's what makes it interesting. If we go over to the chart, you see, where's Baba? You see that it didn't have a great day, right? It was down 3.25%. So then that begs the question, why? Why, pray tell? If it's down 3-something%, are we seeing this kind of action on the 124, 1217, which is a little bit outside the money? So that, to me, is something to watch. I'm looking right here. Whoops. I'm not looking right there. That'd be crazy. I'm looking right here. Although this is my main trigger for action, I might, because of this gap, I might go ahead and take this here. Feeling really confident, really confident in that price action I saw at the 124. I'm going to create an alert there, crosses above. Because then if you get there, 125's in play. You can hit that till about 126.50. Then you're that much closer to the main trigger. Next up, then you see the historical flow too. The Baba 1217, 124. Right there. There you see it, and it's new action. It's not old action. Next, this is the one I'm the most excited for. Hertz, the meme. Memes can run. Look at the action on Hertz today. Looking at the 1217, 2250. And the 1217, 2750. heavy action on those two, the 121, the 218, the other 121, a little bit further out, but these that are right here, saw a lot of action. So I'm curious about that. I go to the historical flow on that. 1217, let's go to the 2250. We see that that's new volume there. So I'll be curious to see what the open interest is tomorrow. I bet that it skyrockets. See what the 25 is. Nothing too elaborate here on the 25. But that 22.5C, let's see where it's at. Hertz is at 2231, and it's down. It's a lot of activity for a stock that's down. Nothing really clear here in the price action. If you're taking this, understand that you're buying a lottery ticket straight up. How you might want to go about it is potentially the high of day, but that puts you well above where you want to be anyway. So again, this one, I'm not going to pretend that there's a great entry here chart-wise, but if you're in the mood for a lotto, you want to see something run, Hertz has potential to do it, that's going to be the unusual play for you. And then lastly, Airbnb, which didn't have a great day running with everything else, but what caught my eye is the 175C for next Friday, the 1223 175C, huge volume on that for a stock that didn't run that much. So I'm looking at it. I'm going to pull this up really quick. So I'm looking at Airbnb, and I see actually a real opportunity for a gap fill here. Right there, if it could just break through. So I'm going to create my alert for it. So that's my trigger on the upside. On the downside, the trigger looks like it's about right there. All right, so that is the four that we like. We like Airbnb, we like Hertz, we like Comcast, and we like Baba. Oops, I'm going to cancel that alert. And these, again, some of them have good entries nearby, like Airbnb. That's just a fantastic entry right there. Let's take that stock up. I mean, look at you, got a nice little gap there. Either way, then you can shoot it up there. But some of them, like Hertz, you're just going on a lucky whim. Comcast, that's why you're going to give it that space. So that's what I like. Let's see. We've had some good wins so far.